Hi everyone, beautiful people. How you guys everyone doing? I hope everyone is having an incredible day over there. And let me know guys like whether you are guys are watching live, and if you're watching this on replay, put team replay, okay? And I'll be answering whatever questions, doubts you have live right now. And you can ask me anything about like coaching, consulting, Facebook attraction marketing, mindset, anything, any doubt, whatever you guys have, and I'll try to do my level best to answer you guys, okay? And do let me know whether you guys can hear me loud and clear so that I can proceed forward. Okay, perfect. I can see some people watching live. Hey everyone, do let me know from where you guys are watching from so that I can answer, okay? Yeah, someone had asked me what is the best three activities which you can do in order to get like more engagement in Facebook, right? Basically, the number one three things, most important thing is like optimize your profile well on your Facebook, okay? Because it's like your marks card, right? Like when you go to like a company, people ask for your marks card. What do you do? All those things. Show them what exactly you do. Talk about one product to one specific audience. What exactly you help. Keep it like crystal clear, okay? The number one is that, and the second thing what you guys have to do is focus on mm, building good relationship with people, okay? Don't be like salesy and spammy. People do business with people whom they like and trust, okay? Build good bond with people, give massive value in any way, like the way how I'm doing right now, right? Like doing Facebook lives, writing post, and like helping them in whatever way you can, right? And that is one way building good relationship. Third is like creating your own community, right? Nowadays it's all about building your own tribe and community, and that is how like you'll be able to grow, right? Building community is like so important. And talking to the right audience, the most important metrics in sales, the KPI, key performance indicator, is how many sales you are able to do, right? How many calls you are able to do, and how many specific audience you are talking to, solving the most important thing, the most painful problem, right? If you focus on that, it's going to become very easy, right? As I always tell, focus on one market, one specific problem, solve it like the best whatever you can, right? And it's all about having a clear why. And I've seen like a lot of people making like a lot of mistakes when it comes down to like coaching and consulting. Almost 80 to 90% people do it in the wrong way. The messaging is not good, the offer is not good, the why is not good, the testimonials they don't have, the authority they don't have, right? Case studies, everything is lacking, and that's the main reason why 80 to 95% excuse me, 80 to 95% people don't get more than like 3 or 5 clients in a month, right? And like the top 5% or the 10% audience, like they get the remaining 80% of the clients in the world, right? And it's all about figuring out your why and purpose, okay? And figuring out that one thing which you're really good at. See, coaching and consulting, it's all about building good relationship with people, okay? If you're good in mindset, right? If your mindset is good, then you can help people with mindset. Imagine you know about fitness, you know how to have a six pack body, and like you know how to eat well, how to sleep well. You can teach people. There are like so many people out there excuse me, so many people out there who don't know how to have a great routine, sleep, all those things, right? And it's all about like serving, helping people with whatever knowledge you can, right? Because selling is all about serving. If you're not helping people with whatever skills you have, it's like you are doing disservice to yourself. Excuse me. And that's how you will be able to scale. It's all like identifying your audience, talking to them and helping them, right? And building good trust with people, right? And do let me know if you have any more questions and doubts, right? And I'll be answering it over here, right? I'm here in my garden, right? And it's all about like taking imperfect actions. Don't wait for a perfect time. Perfect time is never going to come. Hi Nishant, Raina, hi Nag, great to see you everyone, Okay, do let me know if you're watching this live, put hashtag live, and if you're watching this on replay, put team replay. Okay, and if you have any questions, doubts, even you can book a call with me, and like we help like coaches, consultants scale the business online, get at least like 3 to 5 or 7 high ticket clients every single month by using organic attraction marketing, by making the message niche everything like very simple. Okay, lot of people have the habit of overcomplicating it the things, right? And we help you to make it like keep it simple, as like the old proverb goes in America, people tell uh, keep it simple and crisp short, right? And that's how like you'll be able to do, right? Whatever you do, right, it should be like so simple that even an 8th standard grade person can also understand, right? And that's how like you can build good momentum relationship with people, and that's how you can help, right? If you're a great giver in life, it's like so important to help. Okay, and that's how you can make a massive transformation and help more people, and that's how we can make a world a better place to live. And thank you everyone for joining, and that's all for right now. See you soon everyone, and bye bye, have a great day.